I think I'm going to take a break from YouTube. I am not prepared for my exam. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, myself Shreya. And today's video was supposed to be just nighttime skincare routine, but I was very anxious and stressed today because board exams got cancelled and my exams are going to happen very soon, and I'm so stressed. Like, I feel like I'm not prepared for it. I am not prepared for my exams, even though I'm preparing from like 6 months. I don't know, I'm just very underconfident, and I'm having so many mixed thoughts. So I thought I'll just make a video about me chatting and doing nighttime skincare routine. I have not done my skincare in like 15 or 20 days. It's been 15 or 20 days I've not done my skincare, and so I thought I'll come back at it because skincare routine, all these things makes me happy. So yes, let's begin. I'll tie my hairs in a bun. Okay, I have already washed my face. I'm going to apply face pack. I don't usually apply face pack every day. मैं skincare ही नहीं करती हूँ रोज, तो कहाँ से मतलब. Okay, but today I'm going to do this. The face pack I'm using is of Biotique. I don't know if you can see. Oh my god, it's just not visible. I'll attach the picture. It's Biomart Youthful Firming and Revitalizing Face Pack. Okay, so what was I saying? So the board exams are cancelled and my exams are going to happen in like, some people are saying it might happen in July, and if it happens in July, I don't know, my year will be completely wasted if my exams happen in July, because I want more 50, or no, I want like 60 days to completely prepare myself for exams. So I just hope कि exams July में ना हो, but if that happens in July, I don't know what I'm going to do. I just hope exams हो August May. Okay, so the mask is done. I'm looking so horrible. I'll wait for 15 minutes. It takes 15 minutes too. I'll see you in 15 minutes. 15 minutes हो चुके हैं and I cannot speak. Oh my god. I was watching. Okay, I'll wash my face and I'll be back. And I was just watching expected dates वाला video. मतलब, when is JEE Mains going to happen? When is MSTCT going to happen? There are so many videos, and yes, I was just watching that. I was watching those videos from like evening because I was so stressed and I just want to know the dates. I really want to know the final dates. Yes, that's it. My face pack wala procedure is done. Then I usually do is wash my face with this face wash. You know what? If I'm doing anything wrong in the whole skincare thing, please, I have no idea about the steps and all. I just do whatever feels correct to me. So I'm going to wash my face with this face wash. And yes, also the important thing is, I was thinking कि मैं JEE Mains का भी attempt दे दूँ, but I'm sure I cannot crack JEE. Like, I don't know. I just know that I cannot do that, so I don't want to go. मतलब, I don't want to give the exam, but I was just thinking कि try करने में क्या जाता है. मतलब, try तो कर सकते हो ना. होगा नहीं होगा वो देखेंगे बाद में, है कि नहीं? So I was thinking कि I'll give JEE Mains. वैसे भी 75% वाला क्राइटेरिया हट चुका है, तो मैं दे सकती थी, मतलब दे सकती हूँ. थैंक गॉड वो हट चुका है. For those who don't know how much I scored in boards, I just scored 73, and that was so shocking for me. But also I did not studied well. because, and that was so shocking for my parents because I scored 93%, 92 or 93 percentage in my 10th board, and then seeing 73 percentage in 12th was so shocking for them. And I was also very disappointed by myself, but I was like, okay, this is what you did itni mehnat and you got this result. So I was like, okay Riya, now work hard for your CET exam. And then I scored 83% and in CET, and they were like, you suck. Okay, I have applied my face wash. I'm going to wash my face. I'll be back in second. It feels so nice. I'm doing proper skincare after so long. Otherwise, I just wash my face with the face wash. That's it. That's the only thing I do. But I'm feeling nice. Like, this is really nice. Okay. The next thing I'm going to apply is this serum. I don't know, nothing is really visible. It's Biodendalian Visibly Ageless Serum. Yes. So May month was not really good for me because I mean it was kind of good, but it was not good as well. I went to my mama's home and I had so much fun there. Those days were so nice, like slum. I went for a week and it was so fun, but study wise it was not that good. I mean, in the starting when I decided my goals for May, like for 15 days I followed all the things very nicely, and then I don't know, and then I just did not do that. And also then I went to my mama's home, so it was not really possible to follow all those things. But yes, also we hit like 340 subscribers, I think, and that is huge, like 340 subscribers. And it just been 3 months, like it will be 3 months this 8th June or July. Okay, on 8th June it will be 3 months to my YouTube channel, and we are very close to 350 subscribers. Yes, I'm really liking this. Other than that, nothing as such really happened. I did not study much in May, and I regret. But the next thing I'm going to apply is this Biosaffron Youth Dew. Why do I always fumble saying words? Like मेरे हर वीडियो में एक ऐसा क्लिप होगा जहाँ पे I am struggling to say very normal words, like very normal words. I don't know. Yes. So yes, nothing really happened. It was just that I was really stressed today because of the whole exam thing, and I'm really very stressed. But I don't know how I'm going to do it. I just hope they announce the dates, because otherwise I'll die with my anxiety. I'm very anxious. Yes. I was thinking, I think I'm going to take a break from YouTube. Like, I don't really want to take a break from YouTube. I want to make videos, but making videos is fine, but editing them is the big thing. Like, editing takes so much of time, and I don't know, man. Editing takes so much of time. Take a look at my cute lip balm. This is so cute. Like, I love this lip balm so much. It is, you get it, it's orangish. It's not really orange, it's brownish orange, and the color does not really show on your lips. It's very, I don't know how to explain. I'm not fashion blogger. I'm just doing it for fun. Yes. It also smells really nice. Okay, if you have not observed, all the products I used in this video is from Biotique. I really like them because they are 100% natural. So to the conclusion is that I'm going to give JEE Mains K attempts both the attempts, and my exams are very near and I have to study very sincerely for that, because I already took a drop and I wasted my 1 year, and now that I don't want to waste I don't want to waste any more years, and I'm going to study very sincerely, and I'm not going to stress about the situation. I'm going to be very calm, and this is your sign to stop worrying and stop stressing over your exams. You're going to nail it. Study hard. I'll see you in another video.